A Skeleto.com course. Embedded suggestions. Examples. As you read this, you'll start to feel more confident and empowered. Imagine yourself achieving your goals effortlessly and naturally. You can easily see how this Z can make a difference in your life. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily you can see results. You'll be surprised at how simple and easy it is to use this Z. You'll discover that this is exactly what you've been looking for. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment knowing that you're taking charge of your life. You'll feel a sense of calm and peace knowing that you're on the right path. You'll feel a sense of connection and trust with this Z and the people behind it. You'll feel a sense of gratitude for the opportunities that this Z can bring. You'll feel a sense of motivation and inspiration to take action now. You'll feel a sense of pride and accomplishment when you achieve your goals. You'll feel a sense of purpose and direction as you move towards your goals. You'll feel a sense of satisfaction knowing that you're investing in yourself. You'll feel more in control of your life and your decisions. You'll feel more relaxed and at ease knowing that you're making progress. You'll find yourself automatically making better choices and decisions. You'll find yourself eager to take action and achieve success. You'll just find yourself naturally attracting abundance and prosperity. You'll find yourself naturally drawn to this Z and what it has to offer. You'll find yourself naturally taking action towards your goals. You'll see that this is the best investment you can make in yourself. You'll start to feel a sense of relief knowing that you can solve your problem. You'll start to notice positive changes in your life almost immediately. You'll start to see how this Z can fit perfectly into your life. You'll start to see the value in investing in yourself and your growth. You'll start to see the world in a new and positive light. Your confidence will soar as you start to see real progress towards your goals. Your creativity will start to flow as you explore the possibilities. Your curiosity will be piqued as you learn more about this Z. Your determination will be strengthened as you overcome obstacles. Your energy will be renewed as you start to take positive action. Your excitement will continue to grow as you learn more about this Z. Your focus will become laser sharp as you prioritize what matters most. Your inner critic will be silenced as you start to see real progress. Your inner fire will be rekindled as you rediscover your passion. Your intuition will guide you to make the right decision for yourself. Your mind will automatically start to generate ideas and solutions. Your mind will be open to new ideas and possibilities. Your mind will start to focus on the positive possibilities that this Z can bring. Your mindset will shift towards a more positive and empowering perspective. Your motivation will be reignited as you remember your why. Your relationships will improve as you become more confident and empowered. Your self-esteem will be boosted as you start to achieve your goals.
A Skeleto.com course.